In this short lecture, we'll build on the knowledge you've gained so far in the generator functions and expressions lecture. Specifically, we'll go through a few different approaches to using generators, as well as when to select which approach, depending on the problem you're trying to solve. In general, there are three approaches you can take. The first one is using a for statement, the next, using generator expressions, and the third, using the map function. Now let's talk about selecting the appropriate method. The choice between these methods that we talked about depends on the complexity of the processing task at hand. When using for statements, they're usually best for processing with additional control structures. When using generator expressions, they're ideal for readability and simpler transformations. And when using the map function, this is suitable for processing multiple parallel iterables. Let's now head over to the hands-on coding session to see these data transformations with generators in action.